Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how you can fix payment delays with Citizens Trust Bank with easy, actionable steps to get your money moving quickly. Experiencing a delay in your payment from Citizens Trust Bank can be frustrating, but don't worry. There are clear steps you can take to resolve this quickly and efficiently. Firstly, verify your transaction status through the bank's official online banking platform or mobile app. Confirm that the payment has been processed on your end, and check for any notifications about holds or verification requirements. Next, gather your transaction details including the date, amount, sender or receiver information, and any confirmation numbers. Having this information ready will help speed up the process when you reach out for support. Then contact Citizens Trust Bank customer service via their official phone line or secure messaging system. Explain the issue clearly, provide your transaction details, and ask for estimated resolution times. Often, payment delays arise due to technical issues, verification processes, or compliance reviews, and communicating directly with the bank will give you precise insight into the cause and next steps. If the issue persists without a clear resolution, consider visiting a local branch in person where you can speak with a representative who may provide immediate assistance or escalate your case faster. While waiting for the problem to be resolved, keep detailed records of all communication with the bank, including dates, representatives' names, and advice given. This documentation can be helpful if you need to escalate the issue further within the bank's complaint procedures. Finally, as a preventive measure, always double-check recipient details before sending payments. Keep your banking information updated, and be aware of any bank alerts about maintenance or system downtimes that could affect transaction times. Following these steps can minimize the inconvenience and restore your payment flow smoothly and swiftly.